Okay, we're back and we are ready to go. It's deviled egg time.
Yay!
All right, I got to tell you, now, I've done a lot of Chesapeake kind of stuff, right?
Yes.
And I've traveled all over the Chesapeake region for years and years and years. And anywhere I go, people want to talk to me about crab cakes, right? Well, every single person in every single family has their crab cake recipe.
Yes.
Next in line is deviled eggs.
Yes.
Everybody
Yes.
does it a different way, has their way that they want to do it. And they ask Aunt Tootsie to bring hers every year to that one, or Uncle Joe makes his. Well, we're going to make some that's called Mrs. O'Linder's Krabby Deviled Eggs. So it's bringing the Chesapeake and the deviled eggs together. And then we'll see what kind of variations we can do on that theme, right?
All right.
I think
Count
that
us in.
sounds good to me.
great.
We're ready.
All right. So basically, obviously, it's a pretty basic thing of we're taking egg yolks to make our filling, right?
Yes.
Okay.
And then you're putting whatever the hotel bill you want to put in there to make it the way that Aunt Tootsie made it.
Yeah.
Or your grandmother or your whoever made it. So really, we're just going to, take that and pop out the
Inside part.
yolk. And then I'll give that to you. All right. So here again, we're just taking that there and getting the yolk out. Get the yolk out of town here.
Out of town.
Out of town, right out of town. When you get
Nice and
eggs
fresh.
that are fresh or that are raised in, a small, sustainable way, they look totally different and they taste
do.
totally
They taste
different.
Look at how white the egg
at-
white is.
Yeah.
And the
And the yolk is
look
so
at that, how
beautiful.
rich that color
Yes.
is, right? All right, Mary, you're
right.
at it.
We're
You're at it. Okay, so, some people would use Duke's mayonnaise. Some people
Yeah.
would.
I'm a
Yep,
Duke.
she
I'm
would
a
use-
Duke. I'm a
Yeah,
Duke.
Okay, Mrs. O'Linder, she used some sour cream.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
So we're going to put a bunch of sour cream in there, and then Mary's going to
Mix it up.
mix that thing up.
Okay.
We'll keep this just in case we need a little bit more
Yes.
kind of
Oomph.
to that thing.
We like oomph in our
we like
eggs.
oomph.
It's looking good.
It smells good too.
And then some fresh chives.
Okay.
We actually grow green onions and chives right out
Yes, you do in
behind
your
the
big-
restaurant.
Your garden.
Okay, we put about a few tablespoons of there.
Okay.
So I'm going to put a little bit of white wine vinegar in here. And you'll find most deviled eggs have some sort of acidity.
Okay.
A lot of people put pickles
Pickle
in it.
juice, relish.
Pickle juice,
Relish.
relish. So you always have
Mustard.
that kind of acid component of it, right? And then I'm going to get a little bit of salt.
Salt.
Put that right there.
Okay.
Just a pinch.
Just a pinch.
Just a pinch.
And then you could either use white pepper or you could use black pepper. It doesn't matter. We're putting a
Okay.
bunch of stuff in here already.
This
So
looks-
Mary, you want to give a twist to this thing?
Yes, please.
I know you've been,
Okay.
she
Oh,
gets,
she's been
she
waiting
gets
for
so
it.
excited
I
about
do.
doing the pepper binder.
Do I
so-
go like this, honey?
Yeah, you're doing a
Okay.
beautiful
All
job.
right.
All right, nice,
Okay.
nice. That's very good. And then we're going to use a little bit of dill here, dilsha. And you find that often in deviled eggs, is the dill.
Dill.
Oh, with the pickle or
Yeah,
the
with the pickle
dill.
and the dill, yeah.
Pickle in the dill.
Pickle and the dill. Is that a song?
If
I
it
think
isn't, we
it's-
should make
I
it
think it's
one.
farm in the dill.
Oh, okay.
Farm in the dill. No,
I'm
no.
confused. I get so confused.
I kind of was going with the pickle, but okay.
All right. So,
All right. Oh, now this
you know what
is-
I'm going to put in a little
I
bit
do.
too? Again, it's this smoked red onion.
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
that we
now
have-
you're spicing it up.
So I mean,
this
that's
is-
the nice thing about all these things. We put that in. If you put that in, that was your signature dish then.
Yeah,
it would
becomes,
be.
It becomes
It becomes
Alicia's.
Alicia's
Deviled
egg.
Alicia's deviled
Oh
eggs.
my
Oh.
gosh.
Well, the crab
Exactly.
make's going to make it Alicia's.
Okay.
All right, next, Mira.
Yes, sir.
I think you can put this into there.
Okay.
V has that all set up for us so that all you have to do. All right, here we
right.
go. We have our piping bag.
Yes.
I guess you can just twist around and then start getting that thing and,
Making it
and filling
pretty.
those up.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, she's doing the magic.
So pretty.
Is we're just going to put
Oh, yeah.
a
That's a...
thing
Oh.
of lump Maryland crab
Crab.
meat right on top.
That's
The
beautiful.
piece de resistance.
is.
Absolutely.
And John, and what are we
Oh, that looks
sprinkling?
good.
Okay, and then I have some from Max's Degrees, the Better Bay seasoning. So it's got a little less salt in it. than some of the other Chesapeake seasonings.
It's like our paprika.
Yeah, it's got really nice,
Nice
really
scent.
nice smell with that too. Try that.
Oh yeah,
Isn't that
smells
nice?
good.
All right, great.
Okay, ready?
I'm ready. So I'm going to put this on. I mean, you could use paprika at this point with that, but I think that this is phenomenal because it's going to bring out the whole thing with the crab on it, right?
Yes. I use paprika.
Paprika.
Paprika?
And what do you put in your deviled egg?
I use the Duke's mayonnaise
Dukes.
and do salt, pepper, maybe sometimes onion, but I switch it up with and I do a little pickle juice, and then I switch it up
That's
with
good.
the,
Yeah, I
That's
like that
really
too.
good.
what I put on top. So like if
Okay.
I crab meat, I put some other things too.
Well, then we can just switch this out, I guess. I'll give this to you, Mayor.
Okay.
And then we move that over. And then we have
Thank
some
you.
other eggs right here. And let's see some of the things that we could perhaps put on. We have a number of things over there that I think would be just
Ooh,
lovely.
is this salmon?
Salmon.
You
How-
can't go wrong with salmon.
How about a little bit of beautiful smoked salmon?
Oh,
Oh,
So
yes.
you could cut that into little pieces, or you could roll a little bit, put that on top of there, like so.
looks so good.
That's a good one.
That's
Yes.
a really good
Then
one.
I think over there, Alicia, you have some. We have some fried
Fried-
capers.
fried capers.
And
I've
we
never
also
had
have
fried
fresh
And
capers.
fresh capers.
So you could, let's say that you were doing the smoked salmon, you could put just a few capers on top of that.
You can't go wrong with capers.
Yes.
I'm sorry, you
No.
just
Yes,
can't.
and then if we go back to this, the smoked red onion, you could put a little bit of that on top of there as well. Look at that.
Look at
Look
that.
at that. And then if you want to go crazy,
Yeah,
crazy,
bacon.
we got
have
bacon. So we could just put a dollop of the sour cream
Yeah.
Oh, now
on
we're
top
going.
of there. We're going
Then
crazy.
now
We're
we're
going
going-
crazy.
Now we're going crazy.
We're going crazy. And then you want to put a little bacon on it?
Sure.
Little bacon. Thanks so much for watching. We hope that you got some ideas to recreate in your own kitchen and learned a little something along the way. For more information on our common table and our mission to eat well, protect our environment, and rebuild the local food economy one dish at a time, check out our website and join us on social media.